provide mobility, so we do ambulance and we also do rear entry and side entry vehicles to help people get to where they need to be.
I wake up and my first thought almost every morning is, I can do this thing like this different way, and wouldn't that be totally cool? Oh, I love engineering. I'm not an engineer, but I play one on TV. I love designing stuff. I love coming up with new and innovative ways to do things. We try to bring value into everything we do. One of the reasons why we've been very successful at what we've done is because our team, it starts with me, but it extends well beyond me, are deeply ingrained in the use case of what we're trying to do.
We have multiple different checkpoints for QC at every station throughout all processes, whether it's side entry, ambulance, or rear entry.
We do a road test to make sure that nothing goes wrong after the vehicle's been driven for several miles, and then we do another final QC. We pride ourselves on our QC process. We want the vehicle to go out the door in the best quality we can possibly build.
Wherever we are today, we're going to be somewhere a little bit better tomorrow.
The fact that we have 4 departments, you got pre-production, side entry, rear entry, and ambulance is pretty wild.
So we bring in the raw material, cut it on our laser, bend it on the press brake, take it through a powder coat process that allows us to stock the parts on the shelf. You are able to say, I need this part now, so I'm gonna go over to my machinery and make it, rather than I have to order the part and it has a 10-week lead time from a vendor.
To build ambulances for Ukraine, for Iraq, for parts of North Africa. So we really do have some interesting things going about where our vehicles go. And that's really cool too, to know that we can have an impact on there. My head of engineering is Ukrainian, and of course that's near and dear to him personally.
I like to hear feedback from people, what he likes, what he don't like, what he wants to see. I mean, maybe some improvements and what kind of improvements.
Customer service is everything. And from the minute they call on the phone, we want them to feel like they are the only person we're working with.